Russian forces have started testing the new BT-3F armored personnel carrier, and it's quite an interesting machine. Designed mainly for amphibious operations, this APC is intended to transport marine units across both land and water. Its primary weapon is a remotely operated 12.7mm machine gun, offering decent firepower. The BT-3F is based on the BMP-3 platform, which is a smart decision. Spare parts are readily available, simplifying maintenance and logistics. It can carry up to 12 fully equipped infantrymen, along with a crew of 4, making it a practical troop carrier. But it's not without its flaws. One major issue is the rear-mounted engine, which makes troop entry and exit more difficult. Mine protection is also lacking, and to keep the vehicle light enough for amphibious use, the armor had to be compromised. Now, considering this boxy vehicle carries up to 16 people inside, in the event of a drone strike or side hit, everyone inside could be at serious risk. The BT-3F was first unveiled in 2016, and at the time, it looked like a promising armored personnel carrier for Marine forces. But nearly a decade later, and after over 3 years of real combat experience, it's clear that the BT-3F is no longer a game changer. It's more of a dated solution in today's fast-evolving battlefield.